To update your Centrelink bank details on mobile. Welcome! Today I'll walk you through how to update your bank account details with Centrelink using your mobile phone, either through the MyGov app or the Express Plus Centrelink app. What you need: your mobile phone or tablet, a MyGov account that's linked to Centrelink, your new bank account details, including BSB and account number, and of course, a stable internet connection. Open either the Express Plus Centrelink app or the MyGov app on your phone. If you're using the MyGov app, log in and tap on the Centrelink from your link services to begin. Once you're in the Centrelink section, open the menu, usually found in the top corner. Then, tap My Details or Personal and Banking Details. Look for the section labeled Bank Account Details and tap it. Here, you'll see different types of payments. Select the one you want to update, like your regular payment or any advance payments. Then type in your new BSB and account number. Make sure all details are entered correctly. After entering the new details, double-check everything. Once you're sure it's correct, tap Submit or Confirm. You should receive a message on screen confirming the update. A few important things to remember. First, make sure the bank account is under your name. Second, it may take 1 to 2 business days for changes to take effect. Third, if there's an issue or you enter the wrong details, contact Centrelink right away. If you get stuck or need help, call Centrelink at 132307 or also visit serviceaustralia.gov.au or go to your local Services Australia office for in-person support.